Now you will access affordable and reliable, energy-efficient, improved cooking stoves within your ward through a USSD code provided by Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. Energy Principal Secretary Gordon Halangwa says the government targets 100% clean cooking fuel use by the year 2028, and such projects will push up the number of Kenyans in rural areas using unsafe cooking fuels from the current 58%.
The Clean Cooking Association of Kenya, in collaboration with the Minister of Energy and sector players, have developed unstructured supplementary service data. That's the USSD platform that will be instrumental in linking promoters of clean cooking solutions, entrepreneurs, and end users, that is the household, seeking these solutions within the prescribed regions using the dubbed USSD code. The variety of the services to be accessed via this platform will be widened over time to include more varieties. The services can be accessed via all the mobile networks, that is, of course, Safaricom, Airtel, and, of course, Telecom.
Clean cooking technologies are available in quite a wide range, as you've probably seen the ones that are being displayed here, from the basic biomass cook stoves that are using either firewood to charcoal, to much more advanced biomass, still using firewood or charcoal, but which are cleaner, and then to the clean cooking fuels, like especially the gaseous or the liquid fuels like bioethanol and biogas, and ultimately electric cooking. We would eventually like to see people adopting electric cooking as a way of life.
Over 59% of our population is relying on traditional cooking methods like the three-stone fireplace, and that reliance on the solid biomass and the three-stone fireplace and improved technologies is something that is causing harm to their health.